Hello folks, this is Liu View channel. My name is Martin. I hope you have a great day. Today we make a dish. It's called a Chinese chicken salad, and it's very easy. Its English name, Chinese name is called 凉拌鸡丝 or 凉拌鸡肉. The main ingredient we need a chicken from Costco. This is a Costco roasted fully cooked chicken, and when it's get cold. Yeah, when it's warm, you just eat it. When it's get cold, we'll use this chicken to make a salad. And we need one yellow sweet onion, and 2 scallion, and a small bunch of cilantro. If you don't have cilantro, you can just use celery. Get a little celery, slices, and to instead of the cilantro, use celery to instead of cilantro. Those are the main ingredients that we need for this dish. Okay, we cut the peeled and wash the yellow sweet onion, and we cut it like this. Cut it from the parts, and then we just cut it just a little, not like this is easy. Okay, you cut it like that. Try to cut it as thin as possible. Probably like this, so it's going to become small pieces, very thin. This. So you can separate the onion that become small pieces. Separate them like this. The onion we get. Okay, we cut the wash and peel the dead skin of scallion, or call it green onion in the grocery store. So we just we cover scallion like this, and probably 45 degree, and the knife and scallion from and 45 degree, and scallion. So when you cut it, it will come like this. So it will become this. And when separate it will become like this shape. This is what the final one we want. Those green onion, or you call scallion, we get. Okay, we cut the cilantro. If you don't have cilantro, you can use a celery. But the celery you need, like you cut the scallion or the green onion, and to slice it that way, so it will be very thin. And this we use cilantro. We just cut cilantro. Cut it. Don't cut it too short or too long. Just like probably this long, and we just cut it. The scallion already washed, so those are scallion we get. No, those are cilantro already washed. This is cilantro we get. Okay, we'll open the lid of this chicken. Cut this. When you do this, make sure your hand is good washed. And we get this rope out. Okay, this was right. And then we get the chicken. We get the meat of chicken, right? The meat, and we just get the meat, and this meat we just tear it, pull it. It's kind of like a pulled pork, and add to our pot have the cilantro, scallion, and onion. Okay, the bones we just we will keep it to use to make some broth. 就这是。Get it the bone we keep it we use frozen, and we can use it to make some chicken broth next time. Just chicken. Just pull it and tear it to small pieces. Not too big, not too small. So it's probably just this big or this big. That's enough. We'll just keep doing it. It's probably as big, kind of like you would make a pulled pork sandwich. Yeah, it's like that. We need the chicken, the cold chicken. When the cold chicken, they have a jello and jelly or jello in the meat, so the piece have great flavor. So we just use a cold chicken. If it's warm, you buy it from the Costco or Walmart anywhere. And when it's warm, you can eat it. If you have some left over, you can do it like this, make it to a cold chicken salad. And remember, wash your hands, or if you have plastic gloves, and just wear plastic gloves. Just get the meat off the bone. So this is the chicken we get, and this is the jello from the, we just dumped it into it. We get a really good flavor. If you don't like it, you don't dump it. Dump it because we get a really good flavor. And the bones, we will keep it and in the freezer. We can use this to make chicken broth one time to use, because the chicken broth, if I make something as dish, I need to use it. I won't throw it. I will frozen it. This is a plain salt. We add 1 teaspoon plain salt to it, not too much. This is the vinegar. You can use white vinegar. I have this vinegar. I just use this vinegar. And add 1 tablespoon vinegar into it. This is the soy sauce. We add 1 tablespoon soy sauce to it. Don't add too much.
Yes.
This is the sesame oil. If you don't have sesame oil, don't add it. If you have sesame oil, add some sesame oil into it. This is Chinese peppercorn oil or Sichuan peppercorn oil. And you just add, if you have this, you add it. If you don't have this, don't add it. Just add, don't add too much, probably half teaspoon. If you have chili oil, this is the chili oil I made it before. You can find how to make this chili oil in my video, and to know it's called the original chili oil. So I don't add it. I can add this to my dish because the kids can't handle the chili spicy. Okay, then we mix them. Mix them well, so that all the flavor go to the meat and also those herbs and veggies. Let me try it. It's so good. So the Chinese chicken salad, this dish is done. I hope you like it. And Chinese name called 凉拌鸡丝 or 凉拌鸡肉. This dish is done. And please subscribe, share, like, and comment. And see you next time. If you can't eat it right now, you can eat it. If you can't eat it right away, you can seal it and put it in the fridge and for later to eat.